Okay, in the second part, we are going to continue from this part. Remember, we already calculated the expected payoff of the bidder, and we said bidder I is going to choose BI in order to solve this maximization problem, where the maximization problem, the objective function is the expected utility function of player I. So take the derivative, set it equal to 0. All right, so taking derivative is a bit tricky, so be careful. When we take its derivative, well, derivative with respect to BI, well, the first thing, take the derivative of this part multiplied by this, which is this guy, right? When you take the derivative of this with respect to BI, it's just minus 1 times this, okay? Well, now I'm going to take the derivative of this guy multiplied by SI minus BI. So SI minus BI multiplied here. When I take the derivative of f to the power n minus 1, what happens? N minus 1 is going to be multiplied by SI minus BI times f to the power n minus 2. So we reduce power by 1. And, well, everything inside remains. And then remember the derivative of the cumulative distribution function f, which is the cumulative distribution function, small f, inside remains. And then we take the derivative of inside. So the derivative of b minus 1 bi is nothing but 1 over b prime b minus 1 bi. Well, how do we know that? Well, kind of simple. So b minus 1 bi. All right, let's call it x. So I want to basically calculate dx dbi, right? This is what I want to do. So, well, because this is the inverse function, we can rewrite this bi equal b of x, right? So take the derivative of both sides with respect to bi. It shouldn't change the equality. So the derivative of bi with respect to bi is 1. Derivative of b of x, don't forget, x is a function of bi. So derivative of b of x with respect to bi is db dbi times dx dbi. So remember, we wanted to find dx over dbi. So just send this guy to the other side. Obviously, it's going to be 1 divided by db dbi. So db dbi, we just denote it by b prime. So derivative of b with respect to bi. All right, so 1 over b prime. Well, obviously, everything inside remains. I just ignored. I'm sorry, this is dbx divided by dbi. So therefore, everything as an x should remain there. So therefore, b prime b minus 1 bi. Don't forget, x is equal to b minus 1 bi. All right, so this is the derivative of this term in the parentheses. So minus this equals 0. All right, so here's the trick. Remember, we are looking for symmetric equilibrium. So here, player I's best response to all the other bidders bidding with b function, well, we want to show that this b function is also best response for player I. All right, remember, everybody else is bidding according to this b function, except player I. He's bidding some bi, probably different than b of si. But the thing is, we want, because we are looking for symmetric Bayesian-Nash equilibrium. So we want bi to be equal to b of si. So what I'm going to do here, whenever I see bi, I'm going to actually write b of si. And in fact, whenever I see I mean si and player I, these are just any player and any signal. So it really doesn't matter which I we refer to. So I'm going to ignore I terms all over. All right? So what happens then, Si is S, Bi is B of S. All right, so this is B of S, don't forget that. N minus 1, F to the power N minus 2, B inverse B of S. All right, F in the parentheses B inverse B to the S. And then 1 divided by B prime. Don't forget, B prime is the derivative of B with respect to BI. All right? And I'm going to come to this. So B prime B1 minus 1 B of S. And then finally, oh, I send this guy to the other side. So it becomes positive, f to the power n minus 1, b inverse b to the power s. So we ignore I terms. So what is b inverse b s? Well, remember, this is the inverse of the function b itself. So when I take b inverse b of s, it's nothing but s itself. All right? So therefore, this is s term, this is term s, this is term s, and this is term s as well. So if well, let's clean up. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. S minus b of s, n minus 1. Okay, so if I need to clean up some space. So what is this term? Well, this term this term becomes s minus b of s, n minus 1, f to the power n minus 2s, f of s, 1 over b prime s, equal f to the power n minus 1s. All right? So I have f to the power n minus 2, f to the power n. So I have a function which power n minus 2 and n minus 1 here. So what's going to happen? This is f to the power n minus 2 times f. And so this guy and this guy will cancel out. So I'm going to have f only. Divide both sides by small f. I'm assuming that they all are going to take non-zero values. Okay. So what else? Remember, I want to solve bs, but obviously I have b prime s here. So if you basically reorganize this, we're going to get a differential equation. First order linear differential equation. So I do the cross product. B prime s is equal to s minus bs times n minus 1 times f of s divided by capital F of s. All right? So therefore, the symmetric Bayes-Nash equilibrium strategy, bidding strategy, should solve this linear first degree differential equation. So we have to solve it. In the next episode, I'm going to start from this point.